Kali Linux 2025.4 has now been released. Now, according to the Kali blog, we have changes to all the desktop environments, VM guest utility support for Wayland, there's a Halloween mode, and they have 3 new tools that have been added and updated. So in this example, I've got Kali running within VMware Workstation Pro. I've also got Kali running in VirtualBox on a Windows computer. Now, one of the updates that I really like is that you can use the Windows key plus T to open up a terminal quickly, or you can use Control-Alt-T to do the same. So I'll just use Windows key T, and notice I have a terminal opened, and I can zoom in as an example to make the text bigger on the terminal. So once again, Windows key T, new terminal is created. I don't have to use my mouse. LSB_release-A shows us that I'm running 2025.4 on this Kali installation. Now, back on the blog, they've once again given all their themes a fresh coat of paint. They've also replaced the video player with a new app. And we're told that the app grid now finally organizes Kali tools into folders just like the menu does, making it far more intuitive. And you can see an example of that right here. They've also made a major update. Wayland is now the default and only Windows server. And this is one of the advantages with VMware and VirtualBox as an example. Notice they have VM guest utils support for Wayland. So this is a modern display protocol that replaces the older X11 system for handling graphics in Linux. X11 has been the default for a long time, but the time has now arrived for a change to more modern software. They say that the only thing that they felt was missing was support for VM guest tools like clipboard sharing and Windows scaling, but things have been progressing, and now all the major VMware software fully supports Wayland. I did have an issue when I installed Kali in VMware Workstation Pro. The mouse didn't appear. All I had to do was upgrade the VM. So if you have that issue, shut down the virtual machine and look at the options, and you should have an option to upgrade the virtual machine to the version that you're using. In my example, I'm using 25H2. This is available for free now, so you can download VMware Workstation Pro for free or use VirtualBox, whichever you prefer. But it's great to see that the Kali developers are continuing to update the operating system. You can have a look at their blog for more details. Just a few more things to note is that live images are now only available via BitTorrent because of size restrictions. They also have new tools, including an MCP server that lets AI agents autonomously run tools, which could be good or could be bad. What are your thoughts about these updates? What are your thoughts about adding AI to Kali? Do you use Kali Linux or do you prefer ParrotOS? Let me know in the comments your thoughts about this operating system and what you'd like to see me create videos about.